How often is the Pravasi Bharatiya Divas celebrated? A. Annually. B. Every 3 years. C. Every 4 years. D. Biannually. The correct answer is D. Biannually. Which of the following is listed as a mandatory sign? A. Slippery road. B. Hospital ahead. C. Tourist information. D. No entry. The correct answer is D. No entry. What concept is mentioned as a way to reduce the gap in poverty level? A. Economic growth. B. Healthcare access. C. Empowerment. D. Education reform. The correct answer is C. Empowerment. What is a primary function of pressure groups in policy formulation? A. To influence public policy. B. To directly make public policy. C. To replace political parties. D. To prevent public policy changes. The correct answer is A. To influence public policy. What concept started for Gandhi from the moment of his experience at Pietermaritzburg? A. Civil disobedience. B. Active nonviolence. C. Armed struggle. D. Passive resistance. The correct answer is B. Active nonviolence. Along with caste and religion, what other factor is mentioned as a basis for discrimination? A. Age. B. Gender. C. Occupation. D. Nationality. The correct answer is B. Gender. What type of economic activity is paper industries? A. Services. B. Tertiary occupation. C. Secondary occupation. D. Primary occupation. The correct answer is C. Secondary occupation. What event was a discussion held after? A. The hoisting of the flag. B. A public speech. C. A school assembly. D. A sports match. The correct answer is A. The hoisting of the flag. What is the term for being prohibited from doing something due to discrimination? A. Empowerment. B. Exclusion. C. Inclusion. D. Prohibition. The correct answer is D. Prohibition. Which of the following is mentioned as a style of music practiced in India? A. Western classical music. B. Jazz music. C. Hindustani music. D. Electronic music. The correct answer is C. Hindustani music. Who was appointed as President of India in a unique situation in 1969? A. M. Hidayatullah. B. The sitting Vice President. C. Jawaharlal Nehru. D. The Speaker of the Lok Sabha. The correct answer is A. M. Hidayatullah. The Universal Declaration of Human Rights contains how many articles? A. 35. B. 30. C. 25. D. 40. The correct answer is B. 30. Which function involves the Vice President regulating the proceedings of the House? A. Appointing parliamentary committees. B. Deciding the order of the Lok Sabha. C. Vetoing legislation. D. Presiding over the Rajya Sabha. The correct answer is D. Presiding over the Rajya Sabha. Which article grants the President the authority to declare a financial emergency? A. Article 356. B. Article 365. C. Article 352. D. Article 360. The correct answer is D. Article 360. What is one way to promote equality besides treating all fairly? A. Creating an exclusive culture. B. Creating an inclusive culture. C. Creating a competitive environment. D. Creating a hierarchical system. The correct answer is B. Creating an inclusive culture. What is one example of how banks can help boost a country's economy, as mentioned in the context of tertiary activities? A. By extracting resources. B. By providing raw materials. C. By manufacturing goods. D. By helping in the circulation of money. The correct answer is D. By helping in the circulation of money. In which year did women get the right to vote in Madras Presidency? A. 1923. Born in 1919. Circa 1921. D. 1925. The correct answer is circa 1921. Who asked Ponni to collect information about the place before visiting it? A. Her father. B. Her teacher. C. Her mother. D. Her friend. The correct answer is A. Her father. What is the term for a quantitative reduction of punishment without affecting its nature? A. Precedence. B. Remission. C. Pardon. D. Ex officio. The correct answer is B. Remission. From which novel was a song mentioned as being a part? A. Mahabharat. B. Geetanjali. C. Anand Math. D. Ramayan. The correct answer is C. Anand Math. Maintaining open shipping lanes is an imperative for India due to what factors? A. Decreased global trade. B. Global economic interests. C. Reduced need for energy imports. D. Increased domestic production. The correct answer is B. Global economic interests. Besides fundamental rights and duties, what else is included in the Constitution of India? A. Directive principles. B. Economic statistics. C. Scientific formulas. D. Literary works. The correct answer is A. Directive principles. What is one of the essential factors for women empowerment mentioned? A. Political campaigning. B. Financial independence alone. C. Physical fitness. D. Education. The correct answer is D. Education. Which court did the Supreme Court of India succeed? A. Federal Court of India. B. Constitutional Court. C. High Court of India. D. Privy Council. The correct answer is A. Federal Court of India. Who is the OPEC Information Center open to? A. Only accredited journalists. B. The public, including researchers and students. C. Only government officials. D. Only OPEC member country representatives. The correct answer is B. The public, including researchers and students. When was the Constituent Assembly that framed the Indian Constitution set up? A. 1942. Born in 1947. Circa 1950. D. 1946. The correct answer is D. 1946. What are two other names for pressure groups? A. Interest groups and vested groups. B. Policy-making groups and legal groups. C. Debate groups and formal groups. D. Election groups and power groups. The correct answer is A. Interest groups and vested groups. Who was the first woman Defence Minister of India? A. Meera Sahib Fatima Bibi. B. Nirmala Sitharaman. C. Kanchan Chaudhary Bhattacharya. D. Annie Besant. The correct answer is B. Nirmala Sitharaman. Human rights are described as inherent rights that ensure what two things? A. Limitations and restrictions. B. Obedience and compliance. C. Freedom and the exercise of choices. D. Wealth and power. The correct answer is C. Freedom and the exercise of choices. Can a state government establish more than one district forum in a district? A. No, only one is allowed. B. Only with central government approval. C. Only in metropolitan areas. D. Yes, if necessary. The correct answer is D. Yes, if necessary. How did you score?